Money plant is most common indoor plant and is easily available. Money plant is also an air purifying plant and can be grown indoor as well as outdoor. It's one of the easiest plant to care for and to propagate.
There are many varieties of money plant available in market, and the 5 tips I am going to share with you are applicable to all of them. So let's start with our first tip.
Well drained soil is best suited for money plant. The soil should be able to drain excess water to avoid root rot and yellowing of leaves. Also, for this you need to make sure that the pot has drainage holes.
Now, second most important requirement for your money plant is sunlight.
Money plant grows well without direct sunlight in partial shade, and that's why it can be grown indoors easily. So if you're growing your money plant indoor, you can keep it near window or a place where it can get indirect sunlight in a bright spot. Though these plants survive low light conditions, you will see a good growth and healthy plant when kept in a bright spot.
Tip 3. Understanding when and how to water your money plant.
Now many people will say I water it once a week or twice a week. But it really depends upon the weather condition you're living in. So the best way to know is stick your finger in the soil and if you feel it's dry, then water the plant. If the soil is moist and sticking to your finger, then wait for it to dry and then water.
When you water your plant, make sure you water it thoroughly until the water comes out of drainage holes. And yes, don't forget to spray your money plant in summers. Money plant loves it. Now, fourth tip is about giving the right nutrients to your money plant. Fertilization. Money plant is not a heavy feeder. You can fertilize your money plant once in a month or once in 2 months. Nitrogen rich fertilizers are good for money plant as they are needed for the leaf growth. 2 best organic fertilizers which I would recommend for money plant are vermicompost and seaweed fertilizers. If you are using vermicompost as a fertilizer, you can directly add it to soil. For seaweed fertilizer, you have to add this solution to water and then water your plants with this mixture. Now the fifth and most important tip is pruning your money plant. If you want to grow a healthy and a bushier looking money plant, it is very important to prune your money plant. If you don't prune your money plant, then it will grow long but thin. To prune the money plant correctly, take a branch and cut between the nodes. This will help plant to trigger the side growth. New growth will start from this node. Let's prune one more branch. These money plant cuttings can be easily propagated in water or soil. So don't feel bad when you prune your money plant. You can create more plants for your home. If you want details on money plant propagation, please refer to my earlier video. I'll put the link in description box. Also, remove any yellow leaves on your money plant. If your money plant leaves are turning yellow, that is a sign that either you are overwatering the plant or the excess water is not able to drain out through your planter. Though money plant isn't susceptible to pest attacks often, I would recommend to use neem oil spray to ensure your plant is healthy in long run. I hope these tips will help you to grow a healthy money plant for your home. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, press the bell icon for the latest updates on my videos.